I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with Kiss Love Hair again. All right, so let's get into the package. I got this pair of lashes right here. I got a comb, a rat tail comb, a branded Kiss Love elastic band. I got a pair of HD wig caps. I got a razor. I have this information card here. Then we have the actual wig, which we're gonna get into. Give me a minute. I have these tapes which come in so handy for the side of your lace front wig. It really helps to keep the size on the head. Finally, I have this paddle brush. This is just nice and sleek, a black brush. Can come in very handy. So that's all the goodies that I got in the package today. So let's go ahead and get into the wig. So the wig that we're working with today, guys, is Kiss Love 360 Body Wave 250% density 24-inch Invisi-Strap 360 lace front wig. I know that's a long title, but yeah, that's the wig we're working with. It's not the first time you guys see me showing you an Invisi-Strap 360 lace wig, but this one is kind of constructed a little differently. This is really invisible in the back, like literally there's not much else going on in the back but the Invisi-Strap, and it's so discreet. Like, I know this will give a very natural look once you go ahead to, like, you know, put it in an updo and whatever. And on both sides you have the ends to adjust, so you can get it as tight or as loose as you want. There's one comb in the back of the cap, as well as this elastic band that you could go ahead and remove if you like, or you can adjust it. It's adjustable, as you can see, so that again ensures security within your cap. There are also two more combs, but at the sides of the cap, and it is already pre-bleached, pre-plucked as well. And these things help with, you know, you just not having to go in and customize the wig yourself. It ensures a more effortless installation and styling process. The fact that they already did this for you, and the comfort, you know, they're ensuring that it's comfortable and secure on your head. And you know, it's reduced maintenance efforts with everything that they've already done. It has a very professional and authentic finish, I must say, because I mean, this does have a different vibe than the other Invisi-Straps that I'm used to, as I said. So that is really nice. It's already pre-cut, as you can see. Usually if I put it on and I see that there's a bit of a cast, you guys know I'll go in and cut off anywhere that might not have any hair. But for the most part, they already cut it for you. They're really trying to make this experience very easy for you guys, and I love that. And I am just so ready to go ahead and install this. As I said, it's a body wave texture. It is 24 inches long, and they say it's 250 in density. It does feel very full, I must say. It does feel full. 250, maybe 200 is what I feel, but they say it's 250, and I feel like that's really nice. It's very full to the tips. I can't say that. It's not stringy, doesn't feel light, so I do appreciate that. And I am excited to go ahead and do a very easy installation for today's updo kind of vibe, because I'm gonna do an updo, you know, being that it's a 360, why not show it off? So once I slip it on, I'm just lining it up on my head to ensure that it's laying the way I need it to lay. Now, as you can see, I need to go in and basically, you know, cut away around the ear portion so that it can sit more comfortably. The lace portion comes all the way up to this part. So what I want to do firstly, before I even cut away any parts, is adjust it. So you basically want to just adjust it by, you know, sliding the knob on it so it can be tighter. And yeah, this does feel pretty good so far. I'm gonna do the next side. It's very stretchable, Like, don't be afraid to stretch it. It's actually very strong. And that is sitting comfortably. And then I'm gonna just, you know, push this, the portion that I adjusted beneath the cap. Alright, so I know you guys see that there is a cast in the front, so I'm gonna see if I can cut off the portion that doesn't have any hair at all. And then I'm gonna proceed to just spray down the front. So I'm gonna do a nice glueless install. Just gonna get a little of my spray to, you know, stick the front down, get it nice and melted.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
I'm just gonna go ahead, put this in a ponytail, a top ponytail. Now that's a cute little bun that I made at the top, so cute. And now I'm just, ooh, all right, we're looking melted. There are little baby hairs like in the back, so you could play around with that. Everything looks a little bit more, you know, like effortless and stuff in the back. This is so cute. Like, this is so cute. It looks really nice and natural. So let's go ahead and give a back view.
Find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving.
So there you have it. That's pretty much it for this install. I knew it wasn't going to give me, it really isn't difficult to install. I think these type of 360 construction are very much geared towards a beginner, and it is pretty much for everybody. It's not just for a beginner, because I feel like everybody wants convenience and that realistic look at the end of the day, and I think this type of construction and upgrade definitely offers that, especially with the crystal stripe strap in the back. Top tier, the way it's done, it's so realistic. It's so discreet, as I said before, and I love that. As you can see, I could go ahead and do a full pullback kind of vibe. I just did sideburns on the side, like, that is a glueless install, as you saw, glueless. So like, you don't have to feel pressured to do like too much, because the wig is already customized so beautifully for you. Like it and I feel like, okay, some people might be like, do I have to put these down in the back? I mean, these do add that realistic look. You don't have to if you don't want to. Obviously, I would say you have to probably spend a little bit more time to make the back. If you're going to want that super neat vibe, you know, you're going to have to do spend a little bit more time on your install if that's the vibe you're going for. I'm the kind that I love that effortless kind of messy vibe, and that's what I did. Let me know what you guys think, but I think this wig is a 10 kiss love. You did your thing on this construction. It's definitely giving everything. I feel like the density, yeah, it eats, because I can feel it, I can see it. It makes everything look better, it feels better. The texture of the hair is very soft, might I add. It's very soft, very silky. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. All the information on this wig is in my description box. The direct link where you can go ahead and get it if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself. You know, the discount code, you know, all that information is down below, specification, everything. So please check my description box for all the necessary information. Shout out to Kiss Love once more for today's bomb wig look. They did their thing. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye. I better find you all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.